How to hide your Instagram highlights from someone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can hide Instagram highlights from someone. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you're logged in, you land on your home page. Now, in order to hide your Instagram highlights from someone, you can adjust your story settings to prevent specific people from viewing your stories and highlights. And here's how you can do it. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you land on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. And now from here, you have to scroll down a bit, and under who can see your content, there's an option as hide story in live. Tap on it. Again, tap on hide story in live from. So once you land on this section, you have to search for and select the person or people that you want to hide your stories and highlight from. So once you have selected them, tap on the done at the top right corner. Now, by hiding your stories from someone, your highlights, since they are saved stories, will also be hidden from that person. The second option is to set your account private. If your account is private, only approved followers or your friends can see your stories and highlights. Or you can also create a close friend list. You can use the close friend features to share stories with a select group of people. So these settings will help you control who can view your stories and highlights on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.